My name is Rob Weil. I work for JC Grounds Management in Danvers, Massachusetts, and I am in charge of the fleet of all of our equipment. Plow types, you have a straight blade, and a V blade, and they can either be mounted on 1 3/4 ton or 1 ton single rear wheel pickup, such as we have in the photo behind us, or they can be 1 ton to 7 ton dual rear wheel, much larger pickup, either a flatbed or dump truck. So the most common plow issue that you're going to find is a blown hydraulic hose, blown fuse, a bad electrical connection, or cracked weld. In the event you have a cracked weld, more than likely that's going to go to a repair shop. The other 3 I mentioned, you'd be able to repair those on the road with the toolbox that you would carry in your truck with you. In the event you do have an issue with your plow, the best thing you want to do is pull off the road and get over to an area where you're out of traffic. Secondly, as you exit the vehicle, you want to be wearing your high-vis reflective gear so that other people can see you, whether it's snow equipment or other drivers. Thirdly, use your DOT reflective triangles, set them up behind you to warn people that you are having an issue. And lastly, use your safety glasses in your first aid kit, have those available in the event that you do need some medical attention. In the event that you find your plow stops working while you're plowing snow, the first thing you want to check is 1, to get pulled over safely out of the way. Second, you step out of your vehicle and you're wearing your high-vis reflective gear. And then before you go to check the electrical connection, you never want to stand in front of the plow. You always want to stand behind the plow as you check the connection if it's in the up position for the possibility that the plow could come down on your feet. In the event after you check your connections and you still don't have the plow working, you can come over under the hood and there's a 50 amp or 100 amp mega fuse, and there's also going to be some 5 or 10 amp fuses that run the controller to check to see if they're blown. You'd want to check your hydraulic lines. You come over here. Typically you would see the fluid leaking out. So if this hose actually had blown, you'd loosen this line, you'd loosen this one here. Hopefully you'd have one in your truck along with your toolkit. You could put this back together, add some fluid, and you'll be back in service in a short amount of time. I want to thank you for watching. I hope this video has been educational and informative in your pre-season repairs, and I hope everyone has a great snow season.